Hi there, this is Heidi with H2 Home Designs, where I share my innovative and artful designs that hopefully inspire you in your home. So with all of your encouragement, I came up with a big idea. I'm going to be doing a modern farmhouse bedroom makeover. So in the design process, we have to start out with the problem. What is the problem in this room? This room has got mauve carpeting, 1980s lighting, very, very dark woodwork, ivy stenciling on the wall, old electrical outlets, and vent covers. It's a mess. So once we understand the design problem or the dilemma that we're going to be dealing with, we need to start talking about who the users are. The users of this bedroom space are Romeo, moi, and my little doggy Pickle Pants. The next step in the design process is understanding the lifestyle of the users and the functionality needs of the space. So this space needs a function as a bedroom. So for us that means sleeping, reading and studying, binge watching, maybe a little bit of YouTube, and more sleeping. The next considerations that I have in the design process are really the requirements of the space and any kind of environmental factors that we might have. We live in northern Wisconsin. It's cold here, and this room is on the north side of the house. So the room is dark. In the wintertime, it's particularly cold. So we need a way to lighten and brighten up the space and also add it with all kinds of warming touches. And that's probably going to mean more wall-to-wall carpet, perhaps lots of textiles, throws, things that just make the space feel warm and comfortable and cozy. And the final step in this design process is what are the user's design preferences? That I'm hoping to create a modern farmhouse bedroom that is bright and airy, it's cozy, with a color palette made up of maybe kind of warm, creamy off-whites. And imagine it's a summer day, bright blue sky, and you're looking out across a beautiful cornfield just filled with corn. Imagine all the different colors that you would be seeing in that scene. That's kind of the color palette that I would like to draw into this room in maybe some unexpected ways. So we'll see how we do with that. And I think the last design preference that's really important to me would be the lighting. It's a very, very dark room right now, and there's one window. It's north facing, but it looks out onto a beautiful little woods that we have in the backyard. So I really want to be able to see outside, allow some of that natural light to come in. And I can do that by maybe the placement of the curtains in the room, also the kind of curtains that I choose in the room, and of course lighting is going to be really important in all of this as well. So the big question is, can I do it? Do you think this non-interior designer has the skills and the ability to be able to pull off this modern farmhouse bedroom makeover? I don't know. I'm willing to try. It's only just a little fabric and some paint, right? Okay, I gotta go. I got so much I gotta do for this modern farmhouse makeover, but stay tuned for part 1. I look forward to seeing you next time.